Skullcap has been used as an alternative medicine to help to reduce inflammation, provide relief from spasms, stimulate blood flow in the pelvic region, help to eliminate headaches, reduce fever and induce relaxation. Additionally, it's been thought to improve conditions like epilepsy, insomnia, hysteria and anxiety. And research shows that the Cherokee and other Native American tribes were dependent upon skullcap as a way to maintain good health in the female reproductive system. The medicinal plant references two herbs, American skullcap and Chinese skullcap. The common names for skullcap used in America was mad dog during the 19th century because of its ability to heal animals and humans from rabies. In addition to its reputation as an effective remedy against rabies, skullcap was used by Native Americans to promote menstruation. A root extract was often taken after childbirth to help to heal the reproductive system. The Iroquois used it to keep the throat clear and healthy, and it was used to induce visions as a ceremonial plant to be smoked by some Native Americans. Chinese physicians are known to have used the root for antibacterial purposes, as a diuretic, an antispasmodic, and to help the flow of bile. And in Nepal, the plant is used as a folk remedy for the common cold, cuts, and for insect stings. Research shows that skullcap extract is toxic to cancer cells, such as brain tumor cells, prostate cancer cells, and head and neck squamous cell carcinoma cell lines. Studies indicate that an aqueous extract suppressed the growth of lymphoma and melanoma cells. It's believed that certain flavones, which are the antioxidants in the plant, are responsible for these anti-cancer effects, ultimately inhibiting the growth. This may happen due to the free radical scavenging characteristics that it contains, which prevent viral infections. One of these flavonoids is known as basilin. In a study published in Beijing Science Bulletin, it appeared as though the basilin did not cause any mutations, which is a serious problem of many conventional anti-cancer drugs available today. Another study published in the International Journal of Molecular Medicine investigated the effects of the extract of the skullcap on fibrosarcoma, which is a highly metastatic cancer of the connective tissue, and it showed possible anti-cancer characteristics. The rate at which the cancer cells grew was significantly suppressed by the treatment through apoptosis or cell death, and the volume and weight of the tumors were greatly reduced also. It appears as though the plant helped to prevent further inhibition and migration of the cancer cells, indicating that it's got a potential as a natural cancer treatment. For more than 2 centuries, American skullcap has been used by both Americans and Europeans as a nerve tonic to help to treat anxiety. Research has shown that the plant contains anxiolytic activity in animals and humans. Oxidative stress affects some brain-related diseases like anxiety, Alzheimer's disease, depression, and Parkinson's. Yet research indicates that bioactive compounds found in medicinal plants like skullcap can neutralize and even eliminate the toxic free radicals. When this occurs, oxidative stress is greatly reduced. Skullcap for anxiety may work because of its ability to provide significant antioxidant effects, which could make it a great option for reducing anxiety. Chinese scutellaria has some pretty effective anti-inflammatory properties. Many who suffer with arthritis and inflammatory bowel disease are known for using skullcap as a home remedy. A 2007 study published in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine evaluated selected herbs for their ability to protect neuronal cells. Researchers found that ginger and turmeric extracts exhibited the most protective effects, followed by skullcap, ginkgo biloba, Chinese cinnamon, and Korean rhubarb. Researchers concluded that these herbs may be potentially important resources to discover natural drug candidates against the onset of Alzheimer's disease. While skullcap can relieve anxiety, it also helps those who are experiencing insomnia or other sleep problems such as restlessness, muscle tension, and clenching the jaw. Research analysing the use of herbal medicines for insomnia suggests that herbs, including skullcap, lemon balm, and passion flower, are often used to improve sleep A skullcap tea or tincture could be used before bed to help you relax, to ward off anxiety and give you some well-deserved and much-needed sleep. A recent study aimed to investigate the cardioprotective effects of basilin, which comes from the skullcap roots. It suggested that the plant can have protective effects on the heart. Subjects were injected with isoprothrenol, which induces acute myocardial infarction. Pre-treatment with the basilin greatly reversed the alteration induced by the ISO, and the results show higher levels of antioxidant defense enzymes. Overall, the study revealed cardioprotective effects of the basilin, given evidence that the pre-treatment could prevent and possibly terminate some heart disease conditions such as myocardial infarction. According to a 2014 study by the Korean Food Research Institute, skullcap may help to reduce fever. Tests were conducted by administering the herb to subjects who had a food allergy. Temperature was monitored, and the results indicate that the group who were given the skullcap demonstrated a drop in body temperature. Studies also indicate that some severe cases of illness involving fever may be treated with skullcap. Combined with other medicinal herbs, such as fried bitter apricot seeds and unprocessed rhubarb, it's been shown to help to reduce high fever, cough and shortness of breath, while reducing heart palpitations, anxiety and irritation. Research shows that the Ayurveda techniques and the treatments using herbal medicine, such as skullcap, may be helpful for treating epilepsy, specifically skullcap as the Ayurvedic herb preparation that's been reported as being an epilepsy treatment called Skullcap Ramayana No. 16. In addition, 18 healing Ayurvedic ingredients were combined using a base of honey and herbal ghee. The reports suggest that this cocktail of herbal ingredients helped to reduce tremors, muscle spasms, nerve-related symptoms and headaches, ultimately aiding in the treatment of side effects caused from epileptic patients. An animal study out of Canada showed that the skullcap can reduce the risk and the occurrence of seizures. Male rats were given skullcap for a period of time after being diagnosed with epilepsy, and they did not have seizures, while those who were not given the herb did. Interestingly, when the treatment was removed, the seizures reoccurred. Skullcap herb can usually be found in the form of a tea, a liquid extract, a tincture, a capsule, or crude root extract. Health food stores often provide it as a tonic in combination with valerian root and passion flower for insomnia. Chinese skullcap has been documented as causing blood sugar levels to drop, raising the risk of hypoglycemia. If you're diabetic, it's recommended that you avoid skullcap. If you're pregnant or nursing, it's best to avoid skullcap, and you should always consult your doctor before taking any new supplements. For more information about herbs, supplements, or natural treatments, check out my website.